Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com and welcome to my Audacity Equalization tutorial for beginners. Check out my Audacity Ultimate course for beginners. If you are a podcaster, YouTuber, voiceover artist, or audio editor, you need this course. Head over to mrc.fm/Audacity. That is mrc.fm/Audacity.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Okay, let's get started in Audacity. I've got a little bit of voice recorded here, and I want to show you the basics of getting a voice to sound good with EQ in Audacity. So first of all, under the Effect menu, we'd look for Filter Curve EQ. This gives us the most flexibility. Now, by default, this will be a flat line. If it's not, click the flatten button there. Now we can start to do some work. And the first thing you'll want to do is roll off bass. Anything below around 100 Hertz is not audible in the human voice. So we can put a dot here and a dot here. And when we've put the second dot in, drag down and eliminate bass. That's the first thing. Second thing, above around 6100 Hertz, we got those nice crisp treble frequencies. Let's hear them. Here's a voiceover that I will EQ using Audacity. Okay, there it is so far. Now, of course, if I switch this all off, if I actually listen to it without any EQ, you'll notice the difference. Let's flatten that out again. Here's a voiceover that I will EQ. Standard voiceover, but now we're putting on the low end knockoff, which is a high pass filter, and this high end increase. And then we can go through and notch up maybe some of the high end there, maybe some of the bass here. And again, all of this we're doing by adding little points on, and maybe drag out some of the mid-range here. Let's preview. Here's a voiceover that I will EQ using Audacity. And using just a few steps there in the Filter Curve EQ, we can really create a crisper and cleaner voiceover. Rolling off bass with a high pass there, notching up at the low end, getting rid of some of that boxy mid-range, enhancing the highs. Really easy to do. Click OK to apply, and you have just done your first equalization in Audacity. Let me know any questions you have in the comments down below. If you're creating an online radio show, podcast, radio imaging, or simply want to make your voice sound different, you must get hold of my Audacity presets. Head over to mrc.fm/presets. Go and get them now at mrc.fm/presets.
Thumbs up, subscribe for more. musicradiocreative.com